If you're trying to type the division symbol and can't find it on your keyboard, here's the quickest way to do it on Windows, Mac, and a mobile. On Windows, hold the Alt key and type 0247 on your numeric keypad to type the division symbol. If your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, then in the Windows search bar, type on-screen keyboard and open it. First, press and hold down one of the Alt keys. Whilst holding down this key, come to the numeric keypad on the right, then type 0247. After typing the code, release the Alt key. As you can see, the division symbol is inserted successfully. Alternatively, you can search for character map and open it. When it opens up, you'll see all these symbols. To easily locate the division symbol, you need to do a search. And to do that, come down here and click on this checkbox where it says Advanced View. It will reveal these extra options. Down here, you should see this search box. Use it to search for the division symbol. Just type the word division in the search box and hit the Enter key. As you can see, the division symbol will show up for you to copy. And to copy this symbol, simply double-click to select it. Once it is selected, you'll see it here in the Character to Copy field. Then click on the Copy button, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now switch to where you need to insert the symbol and press Ctrl+V to paste. On Mac, press Option+/ and the division symbol will appear instantly. You can also press Ctrl+Command+Space to open the character viewer and search for the symbol. On iPhone or Android, open your keyboard, tap the 1, 2, 3 key, then tap the =< key. You'll find the division symbol there, or tap the symbols button again depending on your keyboard layout. That's it. Now you know the fastest ways to type the division symbol on any device.
If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.